I can't even keep up with all the ups and downs of the real estate market. And for real estate agents, by the way, I work with a ton of them. A lot of times you either have a heart attack and die, or in some cases like we're experiencing right now, you're like, hey, I might want to do a little side gig. I might need a side job. I want to kind of stabilize the ups and downs, but I want to keep myself sharp. I want to keep myself relevant. I want to keep myself credible, so when the market comes back around, boom, I'm right back rocking and rolling, getting listing agreements, getting to work with buyers, getting to work with sellers. And hey, let's face it, if I'm doing something like serving coffee over at Starbucks, A, I'm not gonna make any money at all, and B, that doesn't keep me in sharp in real estate. That doesn't keep me in the game. So how do I do that? In a down market, in a slow market, in a recession like we're in right now, with interest rates where they're at right now, what's a good side hustle? What's a good side job for me? Here's one I want to point out to you. Okay, I would look at getting my certified leasing consultant credential, and I would look at working in multifamily property management. Preferably, I would want to kind of be on the luxury side of things. There's a ton of money to make as a leasing consultant, a leasing agent, a property manager, an assistant property manager, especially on those more sales type roles, leasing consultant and leasing agent. It's a perfect side hustle. It's a perfect side gig. You already understand real estate. And by the way, if you're like, yo, I could get that job because I'm a licensed real estate agent, because I have my broker's license, not true. That is not going to help you become a leasing consultant. There is nothing in your broker's license, no disrespect, I just want to be real with you, that's going to help you lease apartments, okay? They want to know, do you have the sales skills available? Do you know the questions to ask renters when they call? Do you know how to handle objections? Do you know how to handle complaints? Do you know the difference? Here's the thing, I can get you certified in leasing in a short amount of time. It's a total of 14 hours, 20 minutes worth of video training. Most people get their credential within 30 days. We're gonna show you everything that you need to know to understand the sales process of leasing multifamily units, okay? This is gonna put you in the best position to get a job offer doing just that. I'll even be a reference for you if you would like. Let's get you hired working at a multifamily property. Let's get you leasing apartments. It's the perfect side gig for you. It's the perfect side hustle for you. Also, guess what you are? You're in the game. Who buys houses? People that previously rented. You're getting access and exposure to all of these residents, and when, hey, they're ready to buy a home, you already know who they are. They already know who you are. It is the ideal complementary career to being a real estate agent. If you want to talk about this more, if you want to learn more about this, I've got you covered. My name is Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Leasing University. It's the #1 sales training in the world for multifamily residential. I will help you get hired. I'll do whatever I can. I'll be a reference for you. I'll write you a letter of recommendation. Give our offices a call. I'd love to talk to you about it. 888-735-7451, or just head over to leasinguniversity.com right now. I'll see you over there. I look forward to meeting you very soon.